Hello guys, what's up? I'm Taufiqur Rahman. Welcome to my programming channel. And this is my item tutorial app with quiz on Code Canyon. Hope that you have bought it already. And today I'm going to discuss about the customization. That means earlier I have included the textual customization, and from today I'm going to start making the videos of each and every topic. Here is the item, here is the feature list, and at the bottom of the page you can see the documentation link. Let's open it. This is our documentation, and this is actually a textual guideline. And you see, at first this is the project structure, and these are the screenshots. How can you see the project structure? That means the source code on Android Studio. So let's see how can we do it. At first open Android Studio, and one more thing, after buying the product you will get the main files, and the main files contain the source code. So we need to open this file using our Android Studio, and the main file is located on the desktop. So open Android Studio, then open an existing Android Studio project, go to desktop, then main files, source code, and this is our project. Hit OK, and your project will start loading on Android Studio. It may take a couple of minutes to set up. Let's wait. It's taking too long. Actually, projects take some time to initialize on Android Studio, and here we are. So after opening a file, click here and please select project instead of Android, and it will help you to customize according to our format. So here are the source code. This is main, Java class, Java activities, and so on. This is the project structure, and you see Gradle build is running, and here you will get the messages what to do next. Sometimes it tells you to install some libraries, so you should install them, and uh, after installing everything it will work properly. But sometimes many of us see difficulties after installing everything. Sometimes it shows that it is not working correctly, etc, etc. So if this thing happens, go to file, invalidate caches and restart, and then invalidate and restart again, and I hope that your problem will be solved. And if it is still uh, stress, then please contact with us and we will try to solve your issue, and we suggest you to not panic. This is a very common problem, and this is a very common problem for the beginners, and uh, you need not to worry about it because this is not a very big deal. So today we cover the first step to see the to open a project on Android Studio and see the project structure. So for today that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.